this is where it's going to be end of our Sittong trip. But the journey of our last day is very interesting. And that's what I'm going to show you in this last episode. So this is what happened in the middle of our trip. हम लोग का गाड़ी खड़ा हो गया था. And there is our cinematographer on the roof of the car. So जब तक गाड़ी ठीक हो रहा था हम लोग एक पास में हॉन्टेड एरिया में चले गए थे.
Protected area, no entry.
This was our last night at homestay. We had some barbecue chicken and bonfire. I loved it so much. If you are going to mountains ever, I think you should experience this feeling with your friends. Trust me, it's worth it. Those people are amazing. I made a good friend there, Pritam. And I can't forget this person, Brian. He also showed us some of his paintings. He is a solo traveler. What an inspiring man. Nobody wants to go home, but we need to keep going. And this was their heartwarming good vibe, which is a part of their homestay culture. You will love this for sure. Sadly, it was raining heavily and we had to keep the camera inside our bag. But still we hiked to the Rocky Mountains just to see the hidden beauty of Dji waterfalls. And no wonder, hiking in rain is more than tough. But finally our hard work and journey paid off and we got to enjoy the amazing beauty of that wonderful place. I mean, just look at this. Isn't it amazing? ऑल टुगेदर आई वुड से इतना सारा याद लेके जा रहा हूँ ना जो मैं कभी नहीं भूल पाऊँगा। इसी के साथ अगर आप चाहते हो कि ये वीडियो ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचे, देन हिट द लाइक बटन, leave a comment down there and subscribe to the channel for the future videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. धन्यवाद.